welcome back to my channel. For those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Jessica Sanchez. I make lifestyle, beauty, fashion videos here on YouTube, and I have an Instagram account that I do the same at, and I post really cool reels, and I share a lot of places that I go to in Chicago. So if you guys are not following me over there on Instagram, please do so. It's at Jessica_Sanchez92. So if you have any suggestions for me on videos that I should film in the near future and for Vlogmas, please leave them down below. I would love to know what you guys want to watch and of course film those for you guys. In today's video, I will be doing a lot of Christmas decor shopping. It's a little dark outside, that's why it looks really dark in this video. But I'm sitting outside of Marshall's, and that's where I'm gonna start my shopping at. Hopefully I find some good stuff there because I have a gift card, so I wanna use that first. And then I do have a lot of stuff from last year's Christmas that I could use this year as well. Then I'm gonna go see what Target has, and then I did see some inflatables for our front yard from Home Depot that I really liked, so we're gonna probably check that out today. And in this same vlog, hopefully I will be showing you guys decorating my house with all of this new decor and old decor. So yeah, stay tuned, and if you guys haven't already, subscribe to this channel and let's do this. I already have a truck, or else I would have gotten this. This is so cute. 13 bucks. They don't have much. Excuse my nails. They are gonna get redone tonight. This doesn't really fit the theme of my Christmas decor, but I love it so much. Look at the glitter. So cute. This is more like my theme over here. A lot of red, like rustic looking. But look at how cute these gift sacks are. They're huge. This one for my nephew, and then this one for my niece. It's totally her. That's totally her. She's gonna love the pom-poms. And they're 8 bucks, but I could fit all of their Christmas gifts in there. So that is perfect. Definitely taking that. I found these 2 sets of kitchen towels because, like I said, I have this like truck already. I kind of like this one because everything else is this print. So I might go with this one. And it's only $8. Sweet. All of these pillows are so freaking cute. Look at that one. I have too many pillows though and nowhere to put them, so I'm definitely not buying any, but so many good options. All right guys, I'm heading to Target now because I only bought what I showed you guys from Marshall's and they didn't really have decor. So now let's go to Target. So disappointed in my Target. They never have anything cute here. Look at this, guys. It's empty. My Target's a fail, but I do need a new wreath, so let's see if I like these. Let's see. I don't like any of these wreaths. This is sad. Okay, the Hearth and Hand collection. There's a few things that are okay here, but again, not very stocked up. I was looking for wreaths and garland, but I don't really like them here. So I guess I'm just gonna have to buy it online. Okay, so you guys saw that yesterday was a fail at getting a bunch of Christmas decor. So today I brought my babe. And we're at Home Depot. Hopefully we find some good stuff for the outside and other stuff. So let's see what we find. So these were the inflatables we ended up going with. We bought this 6.5 foot tree and it has like little gift boxes down there, which is really cool. And then my babe wanted to do Nightmare Before Christmas themed decor outside, so we ended up getting this Jack Skellington with 0 in it. So excited to put that outside, and I think it is 10 feet wide. So it should take up a lot of our front yard. All right, so shopping for Christmas decor was a fail, major fail. There's not a lot in stores, so we're just gonna have to buy everything online and just hope for the best, I guess. So I am home now, and I wanted to share with you guys some packages that I got in. And also I bought a few things at Kohl's. I want to show you guys that as well. So yeah, let's first hop into the packages. First up is this package from my friend Gani, and she is the owner and creator of Upcycled by GVXO. So you guys should follow her on Instagram. It's at Upcycled by GVXO, and she creates these upcycled pieces from old like clothing items that people no longer use. So all of this material is like extra scraps that she had from previous clothing items that she's created. And this is a tote that I actually won from one of her giveaways, and it's so cool. It's made out of denim, and I love this pocket back here, and I cannot wait to use this. And I also bought some scrunchies off of her. I love this cow print one. So cute. She actually made like a whole outfit with this print, and it looks so cute. You guys have to check it out on her Instagram page. But I bought these off of her. I love this denim one, so pretty. And she threw in a pink one, so thank you so much, Gani. So cute. So yeah, follow at Upcycled by GVXO and let her know I sent you. All right, next up is this little mini massage device from 4Core Fitness. And I love it because it's so small. So it's very convenient, and it actually packs a big punch. It has interchangeable heads, and then it has different speeds. That's what these are for. And I just love it. It's compact, but it does the job, and it's really cute, and you can just store it away very easily. But we've used it already, and we love it, and it just really gets in those spots that really need that massaging. So super cool. You guys have to check them out. I have other workout products from them, and I really like it. So it's really cool that they came out with this little massage device. Next up is this box from Influenster, and number 7, this skincare brand I have not tried yet, so I'm really excited to give this a try. But they sent over a lot of these products that have retinol in them. So they sent over the night repair cream, the day cream, and then this night serum, and also this like line correcting booster serum as well. So I'm excited to give it a try, but I will have to try them out for a couple of weeks in order to see if it actually works with my skin. But it's really good to see that this day cream has SPF in it too. So I will be letting you guys know my thoughts on this on Instagram and on Influenster if you guys are on Influenster. All right, next up is my BoxyCharm box. So I get these every month, and I actually was a Boxy Luxe member, which is like one step above the basic box, but I canceled that because I just felt like it wasn't worth it. Like you weren't getting like that many like luxury items. So in my box, I got this makeup brush cleanser. I got these Skin Fix exfoliating pads, which I will definitely need. This Ace Beauty eyeshadow base. These Luxie brushes. I love getting brushes because you can never have too many. Sometimes they get old or like the hair start falling off. And then this Violet Voss Sunset palette. These colors are gorgeous. I cannot wait to try out that lilac color. So cute. All right, this last package is from Olive and June, and they just came out with press-on nails. They have 42 nails in 21 sizes, and they're made mostly of recycled materials. And as you can see, this one is missing a couple of nails, and that is because I already put them on. They're so cute. They're like a baby pink / nude color. And I just love the little stars that they have on them. And these are the long length, I believe. Yeah, length long. I'm not sure what style this is, but I just thought they were so cute. So I definitely had to try these on first. But they also sent over this other like baby pink style as well. Also long in the color KAG or KAG. And I love it because down here, they actually provide more sizes of these same nails, They also give you like a nail file. They give you a little prep pad for your nails. Well, the file that's one side a file, the other side a buffing file. And then also like a little stick to push back your cuticles. And it's just perfect. Everything you need for the instant mani, just like it says. So I really like these, and I want to thank them so much for sending these over and thinking of me. So this is really cool that they sent them over. So I cannot wait to see how long they last. I also posted on my Instagram about this really good deal with these basic tool sets from Cricut. And this was on sale for like $9 instead of 30-something dollars. So this is perfect for the crafter in your family or your crafting friend. I actually didn't have any of these, and my sister gave me a Cricut Joy that she had won. So I have not experimented with it because I didn't have any of these tools. So I bought one for myself, and then I bought one for her to put in her stocking because she has a lot of these tools, but she uses them so much. So a nice little refresher pack was perfect. So yeah, this is the basic colored one that was on sale, but they also have like other cute colors that were not on sale. So I bought some things from Kohl'S, a lot of goodies in there. I bought these shoes for my niece. Her birthday's coming up, so I thought they were so stinking cute. Little Nike Air Force Ones. So cute, and they'll match with everything she wears. I got my nephew, her little brother, some Air Force Ones too, but they were with the black swoosh, and it had a little bit of gold detail, and I thought those were so cute for him. But I think these all white ones would be really nice on her. So her birthday's coming up, so those are gonna go in her birthday bag. I saw this sweater for $10, and I got myself the large so it could have a little bit of an oversized fit, and I just loved how it looked with the pink and the brown. So stinking cute, and it was only $10. They had a ton of sweaters for $10. I got this beautiful top from the Lauren Conrad collection. You can't really tell, but it's super pretty and like has this like satin material, and I bought it in size large as well, so it could feel nice and comfy. And I think it was only like $28. It was on sale, but it's a perfect like holiday, like work party type of shirt that you could throw on some black jeans with or black pants, and it would look so pretty. And it's a beautiful blue. This is an ugly sweater. It's super cute though. I was on FaceTime with my mom, and I showed her this, and she thought it was really nice, so she's like, get it for me. So super cute, and it has these little bells, so that's for my mom. And then I bought my grandma this like beautiful poncho that she could wear. So it's a poncho, it's just gonna look really weird extended, but these are the colors that it has. So beautiful with the fringe, and it's gonna keep her nice and warm for the winter. She loves wearing stuff like this, like ponchos or thick warm sweaters. So that's all I picked up from Kohl'S. All right guys, that concludes this video. I really thought that I would have a lot more Christmas decorations in order to get started on decorating my house for this holiday season, but apparently I have to order all this stuff online and wait till it gets here. So stay tuned for that video of me decorating my house inside and outside for Christmas. Okay, so I realized that I never closed out this vlog, so I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for watching. Please thumbs up this video, subscribe below if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!